drawing this line, what you have to do, suppose this is a solid, okay, so when you are looking at the solid from the here, okay, so the side view of that solid will be right side of that front view. Similarly, if you are looking the solid from the here, your side view will be that side of your front view. Okay, when I taught taught you the projection, okay, at first class of the projection, I have told you that thing side view can be this side also and that side also, but always beside the front view. Okay, and this is your first angle projection. Okay, so for making the side view, we are looking at the solid from the here. You have to draw the projectors. Okay, from each and every points you have to draw the projectors. Similarly, from the top view also you have to draw the projectors. Okay, so here it is drawn. Okay, after drawing the projectors from the top view, you have to make a line at the 45-degree, or you can cut the arc taking this point as a center, and this is your radius. You can transfer the point A and B like this also, and by making a line at the 45-degree, you can also transfer these points. Similarly, point D and C, you can transfer it. Similarly, this is your center line. Okay, and you have to draw the projectors from these points as well. So this is your side view. Okay, now point 1 and 4 and point 3 and 2. Okay, so from point 1 and 4 you are drawing the projector. This point 1 will be on the OA, so this is your OA, so point 1 will be here. Similarly, point 4 is on the slantage OD, so this is your O double dash D double dash, so point 4 will be here. Okay, similarly, you can transfer the points from here also. This is your point 1. Okay, so this so you can transfer the all the points. So this is your side view. And first, the one thing you have to remember is that the removed portion, okay, this is your removed portion, and here this is your removed portion. So this removed portion you have to make it with the help of 2H pencil only, and the remaining main portion you have to draw draw it with the help of HB pencil. Okay, so now we are looking the another problem. This is the same problem as previous, but the only difference is here this has its base on the HP and all the edges of the base equally inclined to the VP. Earlier, the two base, the edge of the base was perpendicular to the VP. Here, all the edges of the base equally inclined to the VP, and the remaining portion is same. Okay, so first we have to draw the base of the square pyramid. So this is your base, which is equally inclined to the vertical plane, and now we are making the front view of that pyramid. So this is your front view, and now I am bisecting the axis here O B dash D dash. I am bisecting the axis, and after bisecting the axis, this section plane is cutting the O dash A dash at this point, O dash B dash and O dash D dash at this point and O dash C dash at